Friends, welcome to my channel Aslam Coding. Today I will teach you to make calculator app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So before coding, let us see the calculator app which I have designed for you. So this is my calculator app, as you can see here, and it can do all these operations like plus, minus, multiplication and division, and even finding remainder using this modulus operator. So let's check it. And so suppose I'm clicking on 7 plus 8 equal to 15. Suppose I'm in 15 into 2, 20, it will be 300. Suppose 300 plus 8 minus 98 into 55 is equal to minus 5802. Suppose I'm adding here 7, 8, 9, 5, this, it will become 73. This is my calculator. In this is the X button, and on this it will delete one by one, and this is a C. It will completely clear all the data. Just you click on this, it will completely clear. And this is the remainder button. Suppose I am taking here 14 remainder 5. So if I divide 14 by 5, then I will get remainder 4. This is the remainder button, and this is the point also. Suppose it is 4.8 divided by 7. So this is something like this. So this is my calculator app which I have created. So let's start coding it. So friends, if you find it helpful, if you find my calculator app helpful, this project helpful, then do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. So let's start coding it. So first I have opened my Visual Studio Code, and first of all I will create a index.html file. So this is my index.html, and I will start. First of all, I will take the boilerplate code, and here I will make my calculator app in JavaScript by Aslam Coding. This is my channel name. So let me open it in the browser also, in the half portion. So for that I will run my live server and it will open it. So this is what we have created, and now this is I'm going to code. Okay, so you can see calculator app in JavaScript by Aslam, and I will open it in the half portion, and in the half portion I will code it and I will show you. Okay, so let me zoom it. So this is where my code will be visible. So first of all I will create a div id will give calc app. So this is my div, and inside this will be the main container for my calculator, and after that I will create the buttons, all the input tag. This I will be creating the input tag, and click on the input and type equal to text. Yeah, and here I will give some like name. I will give it to name will be blank, and even I will id also let it be blank. id I need to give it input. This is the input button, and in the placeholder I will write your calculation. This will be in the placeholder. So you can see here in the placeholder it is your calculation, and after that placeholder I will just make it read only, so you can only read, you cannot write by clicking on it. This is my input. Then after that I will give a br tag, and then I will create 4 buttons. So button dot c button, this is the class, and then s is also there. So, and before this I need to make at least 4 19s button I need to make. So I will just make like this. So, or instead of that, let me make it first 4 buttons. There is a problem in this, so let it made it down. So this first of all separate these. There are 2 different classes. Yeah, and the first one is for multiplication. This is the multiplication, and this is slash is for the division, then plus operator, and then finally minus. These 4 buttons are created now, and I will give a br tag to break the line. Yeah, then again I will copy these codes and just simply paste it here, and this time I will give it, and this is for the numbers, so I will give the class name as n. There are two classes. One is the C button. This will be common for all the buttons of my calculator, and this N button will for the numerical values. So here I will give 7, then under 7 I will give 8, then 9, and then 7, 8, 9, then I will give this C button. This will be for clear all, and then again there will be a break line, and again I will just paste it, and here also I will give the same. This will be same only, this will be n only, n, this will be also n, this will be also n, and this also n. And here after 9 I will give the buttons like 4, then 5, then 6, and instead of minus it will be cross button. It will so you can see here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then again just copy paste the code, and here this time I will make one more class, and this n will be there only, but I will add one more class, important, and again important, and n will be there. Here also important class, im, and n class will be there. These all will be used in the JavaScript and CSS to design it. Important class, then n class, and here I will give the buttons like 1, 2, and 3. These 3 buttons, and here itself I need to give a br tag. So 1, 2, 3, and at last once again let me just delete this, and I will just paste it again here, and this is my last one. So here C button will be there, and this will be just in, oh sorry, I will make it I and n. N will be all automatically there. This I is for important, and n, this is the small change here. So I and n class will be there, and here so I, and so this will be having equal class, equal sign I will give here. So this is my percentage symbol. This is for calculating the remainder, and this is 0 button. This is for the dot, and finally this button will be for the equal to. So till now our calculator is looking quite good, but I can't say it's beautiful. So this is the structure of my calculator. This is the skeleton that I have created using the HTML, as you can see here. Now let's go to the CSS to decorate it and make it beautiful. So I will use the link and CSS, style.css. I will make the file style.css here only, in order to decorate my calculator, and you will be amazed to see when I will decorate it. It will be really wonderful calculator. Let us start decorating it. So first of all I will give my body, and in the body margin 0, and padding also 0. Then after that I will give the background image URL. This will be from the internet. This image will be from the internet. This I will just copy it, the link, and I will paste it here, and after that I will make a CSS variable, and its name will be col. This will be for the color, and here I will just give a blue color so that I can use it directly everywhere. If I change from here, the change will be visible to all the pages. So here first of all I have to give the link also, link for my image. But before that, let us make this. So first I will decorate the calc app ID. So I have selected it here, and I will just give the background color will be, basically it will be white, but there will be a change in the white. I will give it a 0.3. Yeah, this kind of white I want to give. This will be glass effect I am going to give to my calculator, and width 300 pixel width to my calculator, and a height I am giving 430 pixel. Width height I have given, then margin is auto. Sorry, I need to give margin auto so that it will be in the center. Yeah, you can see in the center, margin auto. And even I need to give the margin from the top as 20 pixel. So I need to give margin top 20 pixel. That will be little bit below. And I will give a border of 5 pixel solid white. So this is a 5 pixel solid white border, and I will give the border radius also. Till now nothing is visible. Let me add the background image, then you will be surprised to see the beauty of the calculator app. Padding bottom I will give it 5 pixel. So let me add the image URL. So for that I need to, so let us add the background image to my whole body. I will just paste it here, and you can see the magic. This is the power of the CSS. This is the background image I have given, and this is my calculator, and here these buttons are just saturated at one point. So just I need to decorate the buttons also. So first of before button I need to decorate the input one. Okay, I am just decorating this input one. So I will give the width 98%. So you can see this has completely covered the part. Then after that height I will give it 40 pixel, same, and then font size of 30 pixel. So this is a little bit amazing. Then I will give font family I will give impact. Impact will be a little bit bolder. Then font family I have given. Then I will give the margin auto to this also, to my input box. Margin is going to be an auto. Then I will give the border none. Then I will make the border bottom to some extent 5 pixel red I will give it. So 5 pixel solid. Instead of red I will give the blue color. Yeah, blue color is much. Oh, instead of blue I will just call my variable like col. So you, oh, I need to just put it in the var. Yeah, like this I have to just put it in order to, so you can see even the blue color border is also visible. And I will give text align must be right. So text align is right here. And the background color, again the same background color. I just need to copy it from here. I just need to copy this color and paste it here. Background color is same. And here I need to make it just 0.3. Here also I just need to make 0.3. Friends, I am giving it a glass effect. Okay, I'm just giving glass effect to my, as you can see. Oh, here R is missing. So now you can see here it's looking like a glass. Background color is also added, and finally the color. So color will be just my variable which I have created. This I'm using call. You can see the, if I am typing here something, it will be in the, oh, I can't type actually. I have made it a read only. Whatever I will click on the buttons, that will be visible on it. So this is what I have decorated my input tag. Now it's the time for the buttons to be decorated. So I have taken the class dot c button, and let us decorate the button. So background color with the same background color, but I think, let me paste it, RGB, but I will give this 0.7, little bit higher opacity. 0.7 is given. Now I will just give color, which will be color also. I will use the variable dot call, so it will be blue color. So you can see now blue color is there. And font size I will give 40 pixel. So now my buttons are a little bit bigger, and I will give the font family to impact. So you can see now little bit it's coming the shape of the calculator. And even now I need to give the width and height. Width I will give the 60 pixel, and the height I will make it for my calculator 65 pixel. So now you can see my calculator is looking quite amazing. It's on 65 pixel, and again border is none. Here also border none, but border bottom I will give it. Or margin 5 pixel I need to give space. Yeah, so you can see it's looking quite amazing. And even I will give the hover effect also. So for that I will apply the transition here, transition and all the properties, and for the 0.5 seconds. So friends, till now you can see my calculator is looking quite amazing, quite beautiful and wonderful. It's really wonderful. So one subscribe and one like is there. Now you can give a thumbs up and like to this video. Just smash that like button. The calculator is looking quite amazing and beautiful, and the important class that I have created, just I'm giving it a background, the same background I will give it here. That let me copy it from here itself, the same color I have made it. So just need to copy it, and it's also 0.7, and here also I will apply the transition, the same transition. So just take it from here and just paste it. This is also done. Now what I have to do is that I will write for the hovering effect. So C button is to hover. I don't need horizontal, I need hover. So when I will hover it, even this, and for the important also, the important IMP to hover. If I hover this, then there will be a slighter change in the background color. So this will be the same, but I need to copy it, and I have just done it. 0.8. This will be 0.8, and here in the button I need to make it 0.3, friends. Yeah, this is not good. This 0.3 will be looking much better. This is the glass effect I have given, and on hovering it is becoming 0.7. And even I want to add the border also. This is even color also. Color will be same. On hovering there is no need to change the apply the color, and I want to give outline of 2 pixel solid variable. Just I made this color. So when I hover now, you can see this. Instead of 2 pixel, let me make it 5 pixel and see how it's looking. This is how it's looking. So make it just 3 pixel, and I will even give the box shadow. So let's give a box shadow to this buttons. So box shadow will be 0 pixel from here, and 0 pixel also, then 5 pixel, then 3 pixel, and the color will be in the variable call. So now you see this is quite amazing, quite wonderful. And just give it only 1 pixel, and now you see how it's looking. In the even the transition is also there. This is amazing, literally amazing. Even if I let me give some transition also, or transform property. I will use a translate y, and translate y just I will give minus 5 pixel. Now see the power. When you click any button, it's moving like this. Yeah, it is no need to give the 5, just give it a 0.2 pixel up. Yeah, this is quite amazing. And we will finally decorate our equal to button. It will be bigger than all other buttons. So I have just taken the .eq class, then position, make it relative. Then I will give from the top, it will be minus 70 pixel. Okay, so from that it has gone. Then now I will give the height of 145 pixel so that it can cover it. That's why, and here you can see this is becoming very bad. It's coming out of the calculator box. So for that's why I made that dot I class already. I had made it there. So I'll also give this was the position relative, and the top I will just make it minus 37 pixel. So now you can see it's again at its position, and height will be similar, just 65 pixel. So you can see the wonder, literally it's wonderful. This is my calculator. This has been completely designed in the CSS. So friends, till now what we have done, with the help of these HTML files, we have just made the skeleton of this calculator, and with the help of the CSS we have decorated. It's looking wonderful. Please do subscribe and like to my channel if you have watched till now. Just we have made the but it's not working. You can see it's not working. So let's come to JavaScript. Okay, so now the JavaScript will make this work amazing, friends, literally amazing. So I'm just adding the file script.js. This will make wonders, man. This will make wonder. Let's create the script file script.js. So now see the power of JavaScript. So first of all, I will make this function window.onLoad. Without when our windows is load, I will make this arrow function, and inside it I will make my codes. Like first of all, I will make the num, and it will take all document dot query selector all. So it will select all the classes the dot n. Okay, friends. Then for after that num, I just need to copy and paste it here, and I will make symbols. For the symbols, let me copy this all the classes with the s. These also are being selected. Now I need to take the inputs. So for input, just I need take, and I have given the id hashtag in. So this is my input here. There is no need of queries at all. Just I need to copy it and use it in some others also. Let me make it this, and after input I will make the clear only, one by one clear. So this will be C only class, and then there is a class called call. It will clear all at all. So this class also I have taken. Then finally just copy it, paste, and here I will take my equal to buttons. So just simply make the class dot eq. So these are all the variables, this numbers button, symbols button, input, clear only, clear all, and equal to. These all are the variables actually. Now for working on numbers, so to working on numbers, we will just make a for each. So first of all, I have to num variable, because in this num all the buttons with the dot and class has been selected. Num dot for each, when you click, and in the for each I will give two things. First, a will be given, and this an array will be given. Array means all these list of the number button, and I will be the index. So this way I will just put it here, create the arrow function. You can see now num I dot on click. On click, we need to run an arrow function. Num I dot on click arrow function is there. Now if inp input dot value dot length is greater than 20. So here I am checking the, this has been a mistake, blunder. Input dot value yeah, input dot value. If my input value is greater than 20, then I will display a lot out of range. So let us just display a lot out of range. Okay, this will be out of range. Then else what we will be doing, else just input dot values will be equal to num I dot inner text. So this is what I have done. So now you can see if I am clicking on the buttons, you can see this is working. This is really amazing work. Oh, these symbols are not working because I have not added the values on this. This can work, even equal to and symbols will not work. So these are for my numbers values, and clear x and this 0 and dot. This has been done now. Now after that I will dot for the symbols also, for symbols, but I will do such simply sim dot for each, and again the same thing, a comma I will be going here, and again I will make the arrow function like this, and here I will now we are coding for the symbols like plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulus. For these 5 symbols I will write the code in JavaScript. So let's start writing it. So symbol dot for each, this is for the arrays, which all these symbol button like will come inside it, and this I will for the index. So first I will just list symbol I will take with the help of array like index sim I dot on click. So when these are clicked on click equal to, again this arrow function, this is very useful and you can learn it and you can use it in n number of ways. So first of all I will create a variable let cl is equal to input dot length. So this is input dot value dot length. This will check the length of my input. Okay, we'll just undo it, yeah. And after that I will make a variable c, let c equal to input dot value dot char 8. This is char 8, and this is what, cl minus 1. The length which we have find, a cl minus 1 has been put here. So this will give you the character at the last one, and it will check, and here it is checking. Suppose I am clicking on plus button, okay, so it will give the plus, and again if I am going to click on the plus button, so before taking this double plus inside this button, this box, it will check the length and it will find the last one. Suppose let's see it. Suppose I have entered plus. Okay, suppose I have entered the plus operator, and if I am clicking, suppose just I have given like this number 66 plus, I have pressed the plus button once, and if I am going to make press the plus button again, so if you are pressing the plus button again, so I have seen many video tutorials on YouTube, when they are clicking, you are clicking double or twice on this plus button, so it is coming like this. When I'm clicking double, then it's like, and this will create the error in the equal to sign. So that's why I'm checking. Suppose I'm click the plus here, so it will, the CL will find the length, like input dot value dot length, it will be 1 2 3 4, length will be 4 and index will be 0 1 2 3. So if I'm input dot value dot caret CL minus 1 means 4 minus 1 3, so it will check at index 0 1 2 3. At this index it is already plus, and if I'm taking some symbols like plus, then it plus minus minus, then it will stop me from doing this, and my calculator will be fine. So if you have seen the calculator apps in your Android phone, then that's has the same features, but I have seen many tutorials on YouTube, this feature is lacking, so we need to focus on this also. So let me erase it, and here I will just add the limit also. If is greater than or equal to 20, then again I need to alert the out of range Yeah, I need to out of range. Okay, this will alert you out of range. And now here in the else if now I'm giving for the characters, like if it is plus or it's equal to minus, or this c is equal to multiply, or c equal to divide, or c is equal to modulus. So these are the 5 operations, like plus, minus, multiplication and division. Then it will work like this. So these, and in these cases what I need to do here, just in the else if button I have to start my here only. Yeah, it's showing some error. I don't know why it's showing error here. C equal to plus plus, or oh here it was. So I need to make it double. Yeah. So inside this, what I have to do, I will just run the for loop, and for let j equal to 0 and j is less than cl and j plus plus, and this j plus plus will run the loop. And in the loop, what I have to, if this j is equal to cl minus 1, then just input dot value at a j position will be symbol I dot inner text. So here it is doing, if input dot value of j, if j is equal to cl minus 1, then what you have to do, that input dot value at j index, you will put the symbol. The symbols you have pressed like plus minus, it will be there at the end. This is what it is doing. And now after that, here in the finally else button, just simply it has to do input dot value plus is equal to input dot value dot substring. So this substring will be there, and substring starting from the 0 and va dot length, and v, I have created the v now. Oh, actually I made it mistake. It will be just like this only. Plus is equal to symbol I dot inner text. So now our even the plus minus button has been working. Suppose I am 8 plus, and if I again click plus, this is not going to. Suppose I am clicking minus, again you cannot write it. So for this code only, suppose I am clicking on, it's not allowing me to press the plus. Suppose I am 18, so now I can enter the 7. So for this only I have done this whole lot of stuff I have done here to control all these features. Now this is already done. Now for our symbols has been done. So you can see friends, now this is also working. My symbols are also working. Okay, my symbols are also working. Now I have to write for this clear one, and then again clear all. These two buttons are left. So let us complete our code. So clear only. To clear only, just you have to take the CUN clear only dot on click. Just you have to make an arrow function, and just you have to do is that let us take a variable, let va equal to input. Here just we need to take input dot value. Yeah, you have taken the input dot value, and after that what we do, input dot value is equal to input dot value dot substring. Substring is there, substring, and in the substring you have to press the 0 comma va dot length minus 1. So what it will do, it will just clear one button. So this is also done. Suppose I have taken here 55 and I am just clicking on the cross, it will one will it's making some mistake. CUN dot on click is equal to, so here it is va equal to input dot value and in equal to imp dot value dot substring 0 comma period length minus 1. This is nice, but it's not working. Suppose I am clicking on X, it's not working, man, it's not working. It has to do this one. I think let's check this in the X. Is there any other class also added? Where is this X? Yeah, this is the X, and here C button, and this is the numerical thing. It's in the numerical. That's why it's not working. I need to add the this class also, C only. Yeah, here C only class also I need to add this at the top. This C one is not C only. I need to give the ID C only. So just erase it, and here we need to put it ID C only. So now you will see the power. C only is there now, so it has been taken now. Now you right. Suppose it is 6. I am clicking on X. It's clearing, man. It's doing its work. Now after that C only, and we need to call also. So for clear all, where is the clear all button? C button, where is it? Here also I need to give the ID. ID is equal to clear all. Yeah, then only it will work. So after this, I have to write the code for the clear all functionality. So I'm just writing the comments clear all, then call dot. Just I need to, man. Let's just let me write it on instead of copy paste. So just do this, and after this what we have to do is that here also just a simple, what I have to do, the input dot value, we have to make it null. Just you have to empty the value. Input dot value is equal to just empty. Now you click, man. Suppose I have done these many things, I have just pressed it, and just I'm creating this clear. Yeah, it's empty, totally cleared. So this is the power of this clearer function. This will be just clear only one, like each at a time it will clear, and this will clear all the calculations here in this box. So this has been done now. So finally I am going to write for my equal to button. So let's write for this also, man. Equal to dot eq dot on click, and again this arrow function, just you have to type it here and simply just go inside it. And here we'll check if input dot value is not equal to empty. If our input is not empty, so we have to do this, we have to try our code. So if any error will be generated, then we will just error will be displayed in this your calculation. So let's create the variable answer. This answer is equal to eval. There is a function in JavaScript eval, in that if you give a mathematical operations like a plus 4 plus 5 minus 6 into 2, like that, if you give an operation, then it will calculate the operations and it will give you the result. This is the function of eval, and here I just simply put input dot value. So these all the will be going inside it, and it will be do. And again input dot value equal to answer. So first of all we have taken evaluating this input dot value, whatever will, then first of all we will evaluate and store in the answer, and again that input dot value final value will become answer, but it has been calculated. And if any error occurs, so we will catch it. This is the try catch. Here I again this error. If any error occurs, by the way, then catch it and just alert the error. Or instead of that, if any error occurs, just we need to just put this here also, input dot value equal to, just here I need to type that wrong format error, like this. It will show the error. Yeah, this is done. Now let me run the code. So friends, now our calculator is ready. All these functionalities has been done. Now let us check it. Suppose I'm writing 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So you can see now suppose I'm clearing one by one. You can clear here. Suppose I have given 78 plus 52 minus 45, and just I'm clicking 45. If I have done on C, then it will completely clear. 45 modulus 8, so it will give the remainder, like 8 5s are 40 and remainder will come 5. So you can see it is 5. this all the functions are suppose, and even I can't make any error. Suppose 5 divided by 0, so it is infinity. So and now here it will show there. Let us see what it's showing. A wrong format array. Yeah, that's why I have written here na. If any error occurs in the, it will come in the catch button. Try and catch. So, this our catch has accepted this, caught the error, and it has been printed a wrong format error. So let us, if I will get wrong, if I just on this clear, it has been completely cleared. So friends, this is our calculator which I have made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Friends, if you find my video helpful, then do subscribe to this channel and share it to your friends, and comment how you find this project. And if you want to learn more projects like this from me, then do comments and I will make the videos for the amazing projects for you. Then thank you friends for watching it. Have a nice day. If you want the source code, then comment it. I will give you the source code of this calculator. Thank you friends for watching my video and have a nice day.